Here's how to cook a ribeye steak indoors for those that don't have a grill. For the ingredients, amounts vary depending on the size of your steaks. These steaks are just under 1 pound each. We are cooking ribeye steaks with or without the bone, it is up to you. You're going to need salt, Himalayan or Kosher, ground pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, butter slices or homemade herb butter slices. First, dry off the steaks. This will help the browning process. Cover each completely with seasonings. You can press the seasoning into the meat so it adheres. Be sure not to add too much salt. Next, heat the cast iron pan to medium heat before placing steaks in the pan. You'll want to lower the heat once seared to cook the meat to medium rare. Place your steak in the pan. The steak is ready to flip once it is no longer sticking to the pan and browned on the underside. You'll need to smell the meat when it comes close, being ready to flip, and you'll see it sweating blood on top. Cook steak for approximately 10 minutes on each side or to desired doneness. Cooking times may vary, so keep both eyes on the meat throughout the cooking process. For crisscross marks, turn the steaks after a couple of minutes on each side 45 degrees before flipping to the other. If your pan does not have ridges, don't worry about it. This is optional. Add a regular butter slice of homemade herb butter for more flavor and juiciness. This will be added once the steak is done and resting. Allow the steaks to rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes before cutting. This will lock in the juices. Perfecto. Enjoy. Yummy. If this video has been a great help to those without grills, give this video a like and feel free to ask questions in the comment section. Subscribe for more cooking videos. Hit the bell and be alerted for the next video on the channel. This has been Yaya Spoon. Thank you for watching.